Welcome back, children. Children, in the last session we studied about different kind of keys. That's spacebar key, caps lock key, backspace key, delete key, enter key, shift key. So I will take a quick revision. In the spacebar key is used to give spaces between letters and numbers. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters. Backspace key is used to erase the letter to the left side of the cursor. Delete key is used to erase the letters or numbers to the right side of the cursor. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line. Shift key is used to type some kind of special characters or symbols. Tab key moves the cursor 5 spaces to the right. Navigation keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor, and function keys are used to perform different kind of functions. I also asked you to do the workout. I hope that all of you have done it. Now today we will start with the next topic, that is mouse. The mouse of a computer is a pointing device. The main part of a mouse are two button mouse, the left button and the right button, a scroll wheel. When you move the mouse pointer moves on the screen. The mouse helps to point and select an item. Now children, you are very well aware about the mouse. We have seen the mouse and we have also worked with that. So mouse is a pointing device. With the help of the mouse, what you can do, you just point anything on the monitor. See, this is the cursor which comes on the monitor, you have seen, right? So it is a pointing device. With the help of this pointer you can point anything on the screen. Now what kind of buttons a mouse has? It has two kinds of buttons, left button and right button, and in the center it has a scroll wheel, and whenever you move the mouse, this pointer also moves along with it. A single click of the left mouse button is used to select an item. Now if you will just click on the left button of the mouse, what it will be do, if you will just do a single click, it will select that particular item. The double click of the left button of the mouse is used to open an item, and if you will bring your mouse pointer to any kind of an item on the monitor screen, and if you will click it twice, double click means to click it twice quickly, what it will do, it will open that item. A right click, that means click of the right mouse button, is used to open a list of the commands. When you will keep your mouse pointer anywhere on the screen, and if you will just do a right click, what you will do, you will just a command list will be appeared. You can use the mouse to drag and drop an item from one place to another on the monitor. This is done by pointing to an item, dragging it while keeping the left mouse button pressed, dropping it by releasing the mouse button. Now if you remember children, in class 2 you have done this practically also, drag and drop. What you have done, you have clicked the left button of the mouse, and you have selected an icon on the monitor, you click the left button, and without releasing the left button you have just dragged the mouse and then you release the left button. So what happened, the icon was dragged from one place to another. So that is called drag and drop. And how you do it, first you will point an item, that means you will select to an item, then while pressing you will drag your mouse, and the place where you want to drop it, you will just bring the mouse pointer there along with that item, and you will release your mouse button. And this is the left button and this is the right button. Now other input devices. You use a microphone to record your voice and other sounds in the computer. Here in the picture you can see a microphone is there. What you do with that, you use it to record your voice and other sounds. A trackball is similar to a computer mouse. It has a ball on the top. You move the cursor by rolling the ball. Now there is a trackball mouse, and how it works, here is a ball on its top and your cursor will move when you will roll this ball. Now this is a joystick. You use a joystick to play games on the computer. It helps you to move things on the monitor. With the help of the joystick you can play games. A light pen is similar to a pen. You write with it on a special pad. Whatever you write can be seen on the monitor. Now light pen, it is just, you can see a pen is there. It is similar to a pen that we are using, but what you can do, you can write with on a special pad. You cannot write with anywhere. You cannot write. You have to use the special pad designed for that light pen. And by using that special pad, you can write whatever you will be writing on that will be seen on the monitor. That means on your screen. Now you share pictures and have live chats on the internet with the help of the web camera. Here you can see a web camera is here, and what does it help? To share your pictures when you are doing the live chats. Now here you can see a scanner is there. A scanner copies the text or pictures from paper into the computer. Now suppose you have a sheet of a paper, you had made a drawing and that you want it to see on your computer. You can just scan it with the help of this scanner, and once you will scan it, then you can see it on your computer, on your monitor. Now the next topic is output devices. Output devices are the hardware devices that display information and results in the computer system. Now what are the output devices? These are the devices that gives you the results. A monitor shows you whatever you type on the keyboard. It also shows you the output in the form of word, number, pictures and videos. Now what is the work of the monitor? Whatever typing you are doing on the keyboard, where do you see that? You see that on the monitor. So the instructions you are giving on the keyboard, and on the monitor you are getting the output, that means the results in the form of word, number, pictures and videos. You use a printer to print on the paper what you see on the monitor. The printer can be used to print text and pictures. Now, whatever work you are doing on the computer, on your monitor, you can, if you want it on a paper, what you use? You will use a printer. So, printer is also an output device. It just print all the text and pictures that you are working, that you are doing on the monitor. Suppose you had made a beautiful drawing, or you had made a card, or you have just typed a letter and you want it on a sheet of a paper. So what you will do, you will connect the printer and you will take out the printout. The speaker allows you to listen to music and other kind of sound stored in the computer. Now what is the work of the speaker? It helps you to listen to the music and other kinds of the sounds. Now the next is the storage devices. Storage devices are hardware devices in which you store information and data. Here you can see in the picture few storage devices are there: a compact disc, a USB pen drive and a hard disk. Some examples of storage devices are hard disk, CD and pen drive. Children, this is the pen drive, this is CD and this is hard disk. A hard disk is the main storage device on the computer. It is built inside the CPU box of the computer. Now this hard disk, it is inside the CPU. It stores huge amount of data and information. It stores the entire work that you do on the computer. Now whatever work you are doing on your computer, where does it get stored? It gets stored in the hard disk of your computer. A CD or compact disc is a round, flat and shiny disc. A DVD or digital versatile disc looks like a CD but can store more data. Now, you have seen CD or DVD. It is a round, flat disc. And what does it do? It stores the data. And what is the difference between CD and DVD? That the storage of CD is less as compared with DVD. A pen drive or flash drive is a small storage device. It is easy to carry around. It is useful in transferring data from one computer to another. Now this is the pen drive and it is very small. You can just carry it, keeping it in your pocket anywhere. And what does it do? It helps you to transfer data from one computer to another. Now children, you can see another workout is there. Write the name of these hardware devices in the correct columns. Mouse, monitor, printer, scanner, light pen, speaker. Now these are some hardware devices. What you have to do, you have to write that among these devices what are input devices and what are output devices. Like mouse, it is an input device or output device. Similarly, monitor, printer, scanner, light pen and speaker. So now that's enough for today's session. In the next session I will continue with the next topic. Till then, take care.